In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a meeting in Outlook. This process is handy when you want to duplicate an existing meeting rather than creating a new one from scratch, which saves time and reduces the potential for errors. Let's dive right into the steps. First, you'll need to open Microsoft Outlook, which you can do via your desktop application or through the browser. Once you're there, if you aren't already logged in, you'll need to sign in. The sign in button is typically located in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your email and password. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. Once signed in, look to the left side of your screen. Here you'll find several options, and you'll want to click on Calendar. The calendar view will allow you to see all your scheduled events and meetings at a glance. Now browse through your calendar to find the specific meeting you want to copy. Clicking on a day will reveal all events scheduled for that day. Once you locate your meeting, you need to right click on it. Doing so will open a context menu with several options. From the menu, select Duplicate Event. This option lets you create a copy of your meeting, which can then be modified as needed. When you click Duplicate Event, a new window will open with all the original details of your meeting pre-filled. At this point, you might want to change some details. Particularly important is the date and time. Navigate to the date and month fields and update them according to your needs. This flexibility allows you to plan new instances of meetings effortlessly. Once you're satisfied with the details of your duplicated meeting, the final step is to save your changes. Locate the Save button, which is generally at the top or bottom of the window, and click it. This action finalizes your changes and closes the meeting window, saving your meeting to its new date and time. That's it, you've successfully duplicated a meeting in Outlook. Remember this process whenever you need to replicate a meeting in the future, as it can be a real time saver. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. Have a great day planning and organizing your schedule.